Hi, we're going to finish up linear today and then we'll start doing quadratic. The first problem we're going to do together is number 17. It had the graphing and then it had solved by substitution, and now we're going to solve by elimination. It's also called linear combinations. And it's also called addition-subtraction method, because what you do is you add the two equations because they both have a -8 and an 8. So when you add them, they cancel and it eliminates one of the variables. It eliminates the x. And 4y minus y is 3y. 8 plus 4 is 12, so y equals 4. And then you come up here and you do 8x, you substitute into one of these equations. Minus 4 equals 4. 8x equals 8. X equals 1. And you write it as an ordered pair, 1, 4. So some of these problems will have the coefficients already matching, being opposites. So you just add them together. It's pretty simple. Then we'll do number 20, where they're not matching up. We have a 2 and a 10 and a 5 and a 10 and a 24 and a 20. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide which variable we want to eliminate. So let's eliminate the y. So if we multiply by 2, this will be -10 and this will be +10, and they'll cancel. So 2 times -2 is -4x. 2 times -5y is -10y equals -48. Then you rewrite the other equation. It doesn't need to be changed. The y's cancel when we add. We get -14x equals, and when you add these together, you get -28. X equals 2. Then you substitute it back into one of the equations. I'm using the top equation. It's a 2. Minus 5y equals -24. -4 minus 5y equals -24. -5y equals -20. Y equals 4. 2, 4. And you can take your answers and substitute them in for the x and y to see if they really work, if they really are solutions to the equations, to the system. And the last kind of problem you have to do is when you have to multiply both the top equation and the bottom equation to get something in common. So like if we look at number 23, what number is in common between 6 and 4? What's the greatest common multiple? The least common multiple. Well, 6 goes into 12 and 4 goes into 12. So if I multiply this by 2, and I multiply this by 3, and it's already negative, we would get 12x plus 8y equals -24. -12x, see how they're going to cancel, minus 21y equals -15. So these cancel, and we get -13y equals -39, y equals 3. Then we substitute it back in to one of the equations. So we get -4, 3. So there's three kinds of equations. One where it's already set up for you and you just add right away because the coefficients are opposites already. One where one equation needs to be multiplied in order for the coefficients to be opposites, so you can add. And one where both equations need to be multiplied by something so you can get the least common multiple so that when you add the equations they cancel. So you only have 6 problems to do to finish this worksheet, and it's due tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. And then we'll have a mini test tomorrow on graphing and substitution and elimination. Thank you.